Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to fix clock missing on taskbar in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to fix clock missing on taskbar in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, right click on taskbar area. After click on taskbar settings, now scroll down and here option turn system icons on or off. So click on turn system icons on or off, and here first option clock. So if you want to on and enable, so slash toggle on position, here slash on position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix clock missing on taskbar in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.